Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I am just going to create my planner spread for the month. So if you're interested in kind of hanging out with me and creating maybe your planner spread, I will be using our free printable for the Breaking Free book. So if you are interested, you can download that in the description. All right, let's get started. I have my Breaking Free planner kit that is available for free on our website. I will link up below for that in the comments. And then I have my Breaking Free journal that I've been using, and I am going to be using, let's see, I want to do August, so I'm going to go ahead and get started in August and get this planner all set up for the month of August. That gives me one more month before I need a new planner. So I am going to just write the word August here so I know. And I'm going to come in here and just pull some of these off and start decorating this so it's all set up for August. So this printable is designed to go specifically with this journal. These boxes are 1.25 inches, and so these boxes here are 1.25 inches. And I'm just going to come in here and just add some of them to create a really pretty background here. And then I'll come in a bit and do some dates and stuff like that. But I like to set up my planners every month. I normally do not do it on camera though. I usually just do it when I'm watching TV. But I thought today I would do it on camera so that you can plan with me. It's very important to plan, I think, our days. I know that for sure it's important for me to plan what I'm going to be eating. So if I don't plan what I'm going to be eating, then I end up overeating. And that's not good when you're trying to lose weight, and you all know as you get older, I mean, it's hard to lose weight anyways, period. I don't care what age you're at. But as you start to get older, I feel like it's a lot harder to lose weight. I feel like I do more effort now than I did when I was younger, and the weight does not come off. It's like I have to put so much, intense focus on it, which is why I created this planner, just to help me kind of manage it all. My life and my weight loss, and this just kind of helps me focus on what's important. So this is a good enough start for this. And I do know that August starts on the 1st, so I'm just going to put some days here and make sure that I have my days right. I do like to do some of these additional flowers up at the top. I just think they're really pretty, so I'll just usually add a few at the top, and then I'll definitely put in for my Sundays, my church time. So maybe in the corner here. Not that we need a reminder, but might as well. I just think it looks cool that way. And then maybe sometimes to remember to rest as well. And if I have any appointments, I'll put those there as well. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and number these as well, and then I will be back to show you what else I do with my planner. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did finish out the numbering. I did also want to show you that sometimes I make mistakes and I put the number on this side, so I'll just come in here with a sticker and just pop that right there. And I think that's really cute for this layout. I may come in and add some stickers in a bit, but I do want to look at other areas that I might want to be prepared for. So I have a habit tracker here. Now this book does not come spiral bound. I did a video on how to spiral bind your own. This book actually comes like a paperback book, and you can use it as a paperback book. I just happen to spiral bind mine. So we're in August 2019. So I have my habit tracker ready to go. I have my weight tracker, my weekly measurements trackers ready to go. my meal planner, which is really important to me. This really just is so important to me. And then I have my week of, and so for the week of, I can start off with week of, we could do July through the 3rd. So what is that in July? What is that date in July? Let me just double check. So that is going to be July 1st through August 4th. Yeah, so July 1st through August 4th. And then the next one is going to be August 5th through the 11th. And then the next one would be August 12th through the 18th. And then we have the next one, which is the 19th. So this is like a weekly planner. It's got a monthly planner. It's got daily food logs. So this is going to be August 19th through the 25th. And there should be one more. Yep. Because these are designed for 5 weeks at a time, even though some months don't have 5 weeks. So you get more. So August 26th through September 1. And then we'll be into September. Yeah. So those weekly spreads are dated and ready to go. So here I would have maybe a little bit of a reminder for my verse for the week, maybe for praying. Key priorities are important, and then any kind of notes. So since I've done a little bit of yellow, I'll just keep with a yellow theme here. And get those flags down. And then if I have any appointments, I could put them here as well. So this is meant to be a planner for the week. Then I have my grocery list and my menu planner. And you know, you could come in here and do a little bit of decorating with pretty colors if you want to. Add a little pop of color to these pages. I think that's always pretty. And I might come in here and do a few more. So I'm going to fast forward through this part of the video while I finish up all of, really basically do the same thing over and over just for a few weeks as I prep my planner. Okay, I am back. I've got a couple key dates here. I've got Facebook Live on the 1st. I've got my son back to school on the 5th. My other son back to college, starting college on the 26th. And there's some other appointments that I need to put in there. But this is in generally how I plan my week with this particular planner. And it's how I plan my whole month with this particular planner. Because what it does is it allows me to have all of my monthly to-dos and plans ready with my monthly spread, and then I have all of the things that are important for me as I try to continue to be healthy, just continuing to write out my food each and every day with these food logs, and then having access as well to my weekly plan and my menu planner all in one. So I hope that this video was helpful and inspired you to maybe start planning your month maybe a little bit ahead of time. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.